Hey everyone, want to get your snaps seen by millions? I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Spotlight so you can share your creativity with the world. Let's get started. First, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. To access Spotlight, you can either swipe up from the camera screen or tap the play button icon at the bottom of the screen. Spotlight is Snapchat's entertainment platform where you can discover and share creative and entertaining snaps. Once you're in Spotlight, you'll see a feed of snaps. You can scroll up and down to browse through the content. Spotlight uses an algorithm to show you content that it thinks you'll like. You'll also see trending topics and challenges. You can interact with Spotlight content by liking, commenting, and sharing. Now let's show you how to submit your own snap to Spotlight. Take a photo or a video as you normally would. Tap the Send To button in the bottom right corner. At the top of the Send To screen, you'll see the Spotlight option. Tap on it. Add a relevant topic or a hashtag to your snap. This will help more people find your content. Tap the blue arrow button to submit your snap to Spotlight. And that's how you use Snapchat Spotlight. It's a great way to share your creativity and discover entertaining content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.